to get the best benefit for the least amount of hassle is to move to Business Central Online with Office 365.
I heard you talking earlier about integrations and whatnot, and we're running NAV 2015. So I guess two questions. One, can we upgrade to NAV 2018? If not, and we upgrade to Business Central on-premise, do all those integrations still work with the on-premise, or is that really like just cloud software interacting with each other?
Yep. So by integrations, I assume you mean you're talking about like Office 365,
Yeah.
Outlook, Power BI.
Yep.
Right?
Teams, I saw a couple good things. Yep.
Right. So if you're going to upgrade, and you mentioned, should I just go to NAV 2018?
Right.
Or what should I do? There is an alternative where what you can do is you could upgrade to Business Central version 14.
Okay.
Which is or any version on premise, actually 14 or above. So I would say don't go to NAV 2018, go to Business Central.
Okay.
One of the versions, probably the latest version, but there's some reasons you might go to 14. Get back to that later if you want.
All right.
But you should go to Business Central, because once you're there, now you've got the app available to run on your iPhone or your Android device, right?
Nice.
And as long as, if you're on premise still, as long as you're running Office 365 and you have Azure Active Directory set up, which is just a way to link your on-premise server to Office 365, now you can use those features.
Okay. So we're running Microsoft Office 2019 for our Outlook and all that. So what you're saying is, if you would probably recommend us going to Microsoft 365, which is what we're thinking about doing anyway. But if we go to like Microsoft 365, then it's a lot easier and connects and integrates with Business Central a lot easier?
Correct. Yeah. Okay. I think, if to boil it down, yes, your best option to get the best benefit for the least amount of hassle is to move to Business Central Online with Office 365.
Okay.
Right? Because it's all pre-packaged, right? It's pre-wrapped with a bow on top by Microsoft, so to speak. Whereas when you're running an on-premise solution, those can be integrated, but there's you have to set up a few things.
Right.